Today we're going to talk about laser hair removal and laser treatments. Here at Bella Forma Med Spa, we use state-of-the-art technology with our cosmetic services in our med spa. A lot of times, women, men, we have come to the point where we're tired of shaving, we don't have enough time in the morning to do our normal shaving routine, so a lot more clients and patients, individuals have been looking for other ways in which they can save 15 more minutes in their day. Here at Bella Forma Med Spa, we use the Cynosure. It's the state-of-the-art technology, cutting-edge technology, which targets not only every skin type, because that is one of the things with laser. A lot of times patients wonder, is my skin type, is my skin color, am I safe to have the procedure, to have the laser treatments? With the type of laser that we use here at Bella Forma Med Spa, yes it is. And we highly recommend though that you do come in and let one of our certified laser technicians take a look, evaluate, walk you through the process of how the laser treatments can benefit you. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you a little bit how the treatments are performed and how safe and how quick the treatments are done as well. One of the most important things when it comes to the laser is, of course, making sure that you find a clinic or a facility or med spa that is highly qualified in order to perform these treatments. Here at Bella Forma Med Spa, our laser technicians make sure to always communicate with our patients, with our clients, make sure that they understand what's going to happen, make sure they understand what can be done prior to the treatment and after the treatment as well in order to obtain your best results. You want to keep in mind when you have these laser treatments, you want to make sure that you understand as well, we're dealing with hair follicles here. These follicles have various different phases of growth, kind of like when you think about when you plant a little seed. It's going to take a while watering that seed in order for the flower to sprout out of the ground. It's the same thing with your hair follicles. So one of the things that we need in order for the treatments to work is that neither for you to tweeze or to have waxing done in order for us to obtain that follicle in its place. In order, the matrix is what we're talking about, which is basically kind of when you think about the root of the hair, in order for the laser to be absorbed into the matrix, into the root of the hair, in order to burn that follicle, to burn that matrix and no longer have hair growth. Another great thing to also keep in mind is that with these treatments, there is no downtime. Patients can come in and have this done during their lunch break, go back to work. Depending on the area that we're going to treat, it can take up to about 15 minutes of treatments. Larger areas can take up to about 45 minutes. I know a very popular question with these laser treatments as well as what kind of pain am I going to feel or how uncomfortable is the treatment. We like to explain to our patients that having these treatments here at Bella Forma Med Spa, with the laser that we use, you're going to feel almost a little bit of like a little rubber band snap. But it's very quick though, and as you're going to see right now, Miriam is setting up. We do use as well our Smart Cool, which basically what it does is it cools the area in order for you to feel more comfortable during the procedure as well. The cooling of the area helps to numb it a little bit so that the treatment can be performed with very minimal discomfort. With the Cynosure laser that we use here at Bella Forma Med Spa, we're actually able to select the most appropriate wavelength for each patient based on their skin type, which is why it is safe for all skin types. The laser Cynosure, yes, it is FDA approved and best overall for treatment sessions that can take just minutes. We're treating here today underarm, but other areas that can be treated are the face, arms, chest, back, the famous Brazilian or just the bikini line, your legs. Now, laser hair removal has been very popular with women, but it is becoming very popular with men as well. Reducing chest hair, back hair for a cleaner, younger look. Usually when our patients come in to have their consultations, one of the things that we do go over with the patient is always making sure that a day before your treatment that you shave the area. Again, remembering not to wax or to tweeze because we want that hair follicle in and we want the root to stay. And just making sure that the area is shaved completely so we're not seeing any hair stubs, and also making sure that the area is clean. As I mentioned earlier, the hair follicle does have phases of growth, so it is very important to understand that some patients might need more than certain amount of treatments in order to see complete 100% results. Some patients with 5 sessions, they see great results. Other patients sometimes with 5 sessions, they're at an 80% type of result. So usually when we come in, we go over how many sessions with your skin type, and honestly with the hair follicle, it's very hard to even determine. So we do ask patients that when they come in to kind of just have in mind to go ahead and invest in at least about 5-6 sessions in order for you to see the type of results that you can obtain with the Cynosure here at Bellaforma Med Spa. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to go on our website at bellaformaclinic.com and fill out an inquiry. One of our patient care coordinators will be more than happy to call you and go over all of your questions. You can also reach us at 678-824-8600. We hope to see you soon.